If you are planning a visit to Kamakya Temple, Guwahati and looking for a comfortable 5-star hotel nearby, then this video is for you. During our Guwahati trip, we stayed at Hotel Radisson Blu. From luxurious rooms and delicious food to exceptional hospitality and beautiful views, here's our honest experience. Let's check in. The moment you step inside, the spacious, elegant and beautifully designed lobby makes a wonderful first impression. The calm ambience and stylish interiors instantly gives you that premium 5-star feeling. Most of our meals were at Cafe BU, the hotel's all-day dining restaurant. The ambience is bright, comfortable and perfect whether you are enjoying a relaxed breakfast or a family dinner. Since it was breakfast time, we decided to have our breakfast before going up to the room. The breakfast buffet had an excellent variety of Indian and continental dishes, fresh fruits, bakery items, juices and live counters. Everything looked fresh, well presented and there was something for everyone. Our room was spacious, clean and very comfortable. It had everything you would expect from a 5-star hotel. A cozy bed, a bathtub, a smart TV and all the essential amenities for a relaxed day. The best part of the room was the view, which was simply breathtaking. Our room was located on the 10th floor. From the window you could see Guwahati stretching into the distance, the beautiful Neelachal hills on the horizon, and every now and then a train passing by with its whistles echoing through the air. It was a peaceful, scenic and honestly one of the most memorable parts of our stay. Beautiful greenery. Well, doesn't this just look like a scene out of a picture postcard? What do you think? Just like breakfast, the dinner buffet too was very impressive. There was a great selection of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes along with delicious desserts. We really enjoy the quality, taste and variety of the food. But what truly made our dining experience more enjoyable was the hospitality. Every member of the staff was warm, courteous, and always ready to help with a smile.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dheeraj.
Sir, this is your order. It's made with almond milk cappuccino and myself, Kalpana. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you, Mr. Park. Very sweet. बहुत अच्छी सर्विस है आपकी. Much. Mushir. Thank you very much.
What impressed us even more was the chefs, who personally came to our table, asked about our food preferences, and specially prepared dishes for us. That personal attention made us feel genuinely cared for and added a wonderful touch to our dining experience.
You ended with my favorite kesar milk. So good.
The hotel has a beautiful outdoor swimming pool. There is also a spa and a health club, making it a great place to relax and unwind after a day of sightseeing or a visit to the temples. An open-air swimming pool with the scenic Nilachal Hills in the background. Pure bliss. For us, the biggest advantage of staying here is the location. The hotel is centrally located. Kamakya temple is just around 12 to 13 kilometers away. The drive usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The final stretch is a scenic uphill drive to Nilachal Hill, so it may take a little longer during business hours or festive season. If you're visiting Guwahati mainly for Kamakya temple but also want the comfort of a luxury hotel, then this is definitely a convenient choice. So friends, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and join us for more honest travel reviews and amazing destinations across India and beyond. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.